Question number 2 reads, Samirao has taken a loan of rupees 12,500 at a rate of 12% per annum for 3 years. If the interest is compounded annually, then how many rupees should he pay to clear his loan? The formula A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power of n. Now let's write the data down. The loan is 12,500. The rate is 12% per annum and the period is 3 years. So P is equal to rupees 12,500. N is equal to 3 years and R is equal to 12 PCPA. Now substituting in the formula, you have that is equal to amount is equal to P, which is 12,500 multiplied by 1 plus R is 12 upon 100 the whole raised to the power of 3. Now again, I'm not reducing this. This number is not very big. There is no denominator, so I'm putting it as 1. The denominators are not the same. We have to add it, so we have to make it the same by cross multiplying. So you get that is equal to 12,500 into 1 into 100 is 100 plus 12 into 1 is 12 upon 1 into 100 is 100 the whole raised to the power of 3. So you get that is equal to 12500 into 100 plus 12 is 112 upon 100. Now this is 3 cube, so that we have write it thrice. 2 upon 100. Now you have got 2 zeros here, so I'm cutting the 2 zeros with these 2 zeros. And I told you when the denominators are 100, 1000, calculation is easy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm writing 125 multiply by 112 into 112 into 112 upon 1 and here 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. Now when we multiply 125 into 112 into 112 into 112, we get 1756000 upon 10,000. So now I'm cutting the zeros 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we get 175,616 upon 10. Now when we divide this number by this number, because there's 1 0, the decimal point comes here. So you get 17561.6. So the amount is equal to rupees 17,561 rupees 0.60 paise. Now in this sum, they have not asked you what is the compound interest. They only asked you how much Samirao had to pay to clear the loan. So he had to pay rupees 17,561.60 paise. Sum number 3 reads, to start a business, Shalaka has taken a loan of rupees 8,000 at a rate of 10.5 PCPA. After 2 years, how much compounded interest will she have to pay? So here the figures are rupees 8,000. The rate is 10.5% and the period is 2 years. So now we will write the data. P is equal to rupees 8,000. The rate R is equal to 10.5. Now remember 10.5 is equal to 10.5 PCPA and N is equal to 2 years. The formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to the power of N. Now substituting it, we get that is equal to P, which is 8,000 into 1 plus R is 10.5 upon 100 the whole raised to the power of 2. Now remember boys, here it is 0.5. So we'll remove the point by putting a 0 in the denominator. So we get that is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 105 upon 1,000 the whole raised to the power of 2. Again I'm repeating it. It was 10.5. I removed the point, so I put an extra 0 in the denominator. So now we have over here 8,000 into 1 plus 105 upon 1,000 raised to the power of 2. Again the number is big, so we'll reduce it. Now the common multiple of 105 and 1,000 is 5. So this goes in 5 21 times. This goes in 5 200 times. So we get that is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 21 upon 200 the whole raised to the power of 2. Now again boys, there's no denominator, so I'm putting 1. The operation is addition. The denominators are unequal, so we have to equalize the denominators by cross multiplication. So that is equal to 8,000 into 1 into 200 is 200 plus 1 into 21 is 21 upon 1 into 200 is 200 the whole raised to the power of 2. So now that is equal to 8,000 into 200 plus 21 is 221 upon 200. Now because it is 2, we have to write this twice. Now we can cut the zeros. You have 3 zeros here, 1, 2, 3. Here you have 1, 2, 3. So we have 8 into 221 into 221 upon 20 into 2. Now you all know 2 times table. You will get this once and this will go into 4 times. Now you know 4 times table. This will go in 4 once. This will go in 4 5. That is equal to 4 8 8 4 1 divided by 5. And when we divide this by 5, we get 9 1768.2. Now in this sum, they asked us how much compounded interest will Shalaka have to pay. So now for the compound interest, we have to take the amount, which is 9768.2, and minus it from the principal, which is 8,000. And we'll get 2 minus 0 is 2, 8 minus 0 is 8, 6 minus 0 is 6, 7 minus 0 is 7, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So Shalaka has to pay rupees 1768.2. That is 1,768 rupees and 20 paise.